I will simply say that I've spent most of my life singing in the car. And for a long while I sang as my kids grew up, and eventually they said, you know, you might want to take a lesson. And I realized over some time that that wasn't an insult. They were saying I might benefit from taking a lesson. And so I did start taking lessons, and I've been enjoying them, so we'll try this. Long as I remember, the rain's been coming down, clouds of mystery pouring, confusion on the ground. Good men through the ages trying to find the sun, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. I went down Virginia, seeking shelter from the storm, and caught up in the fable, I watched the tower grow. 5-year plans and new deals, wrapped in golden chains, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. Heard the singers playing, how we cheered for more. The crowd had rushed together and trying to keep warm. Still the rain kept falling, falling on my ears, and I wonder, still I wonder, who'll stop the rain. Who'll stop the rain? Who'll stop the rain?
Thank you. Yeah, keep it going for Mike, everybody. That was a welcome to the Beatles.